Hi guys, today I'm going to show you some quick, easy lunches that I sent for my kids. This is when my kids were going to school full-time. Actually, one of my children was going to school full-time. Now they're in a flex school, so they still are able to take their lunch, and now they know how to pack it. They only go to school 2 to 3 times a week, and the rest of the time they're doing it at home. I think it's important for them to do the extracurricular stuff, the art, the PE, things like that in school. For lunch, we have, this is a corn tortilla, the small ones, and we've got some ham in there, some tortilla chips. This is all made of corn, so it's gluten-free and there's no gluten in the ham. I open all of his bars and things so he doesn't have to fumble with it when he's eating at school. So he's got a Happy Tot fiber and protein bar, soft baked oat bar, organic apples and spinach. Smells very good. Open his cheese. He's got carrots and hummus. To drink, he has a fruit and veggie berry. Got this at Aldi. And this is the brand of corn tortillas that I use, and you can see it is gluten-free because it's made of corn, but it has a feel of a flour tortilla. It's a little more break-apartable. You do have to cook it if you want it to stay together. Okay, we have some gluten-free chicken tenders, and I just want to point out that this thing right here is like something that lunch meat comes in. So it's just I didn't feel like washing his thing. I want to hurry up and be quick about this. So this and the cheese stick that I have already opened, so he didn't have to fool with that. He's got some, what is this? Dean's French onion dip, some carrots, a tomato, one of the zone bars, and that's going to go in the side of his bag. I opened this already for him, and these are the little teething crackers, organic multigrain teething wafers, but basically they're just crackers. Apple with leafy greens. So these are like little fruity snacks, fruity and chocolatey. So this is his lunch, and for his drink he's gonna have this pouch of juice with the fruits and vegetable juice. Good morning. Oh. Good morning.
What's for lunch today?
I didn't make it yet.
Ah! But you did gather up the stuff, right?
Nope. You want to make your own lunch?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'll make my lunch. You're not even in the school yet. I even got a lunchbox because it fits in here.
All right.
Woo! Oh.
What you gonna take?
I'm gonna take some blue Oreos.
Uh-huh.
No, what about red?
Red Oreos. Don't have red Oreos.
And they don't even exist.
Maybe in Christmas time they have red Oreos.
Oh, yeah.
For Santa Claus or something.
But
okay, you're putting that in there? All right.
Now I
what
have
else?
one more thing in mind. Put it in there. My favorite kind of bar.
Let's see it.
Upside down.
Fiber and protein.
Eat it.
No, you're not. That's for Rafael's lunch.
Oh my goodness. No, I already got one. Do you want me to have about...
No. Just
okay,
one.
Put it back.
Put it back, please.
How about I eat it right now?
No. It's for lunch.
Go back.
What else are you taking?
I'm taking this, but I'm not going to take another Oreo. Somehow this tastes yummier, but I already have one drink. But this is real water grape juice.
Yeah, it's
So
vegetable
I need
and
to
fruit
take
juice.
it instead of the other one.
You can take whatever you want.
Yeah, I can take this. With
But you have to have actual food in there.
actual food.
Yeah. Do you have any food? from the fridge. Some actual real food that's not in a package.
Okay. Every time I run into someone, my bones harden.
Do they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can tell when I shake. That's why she's bumping into me every single time to test it out. Pickles?
You want to take pickles?
Yeah.
All right, be careful. That's a glass jar and it's very heavy.
Ooh,
You gonna be careful?
it's not even
All right.
heavy.
Okay, cool. You're strong.
Yeah.
I think you should take some chicken too, probably.
Nuggets?
Well, we don't have chicken nuggets, but Daddy made grilled chicken. I think you should take some of that because it's real food. And maybe some grapes.
Oh yeah, grapes. I like grapes more than chicken, don't I? Oh, you found the grapes. Thank you, Abigail. This is gonna be the best lunch and day ever. I'm gonna bike ride with my dad and a bike riding spot. Me too.
But today you're going to school.
After
It's still
school.
dark out.
Yeah. Woo. And Daddy's still asleep. This is freezing. All you gotta do before you eat it is actually just lick it. There. I'm gonna get another one. For me? Because I want some.
So what?
I want some pickle. I want some pickle. I want some. All the stuff in wrappers goes in here.
Okay, so we got chicken, a pickle. This is gonna take all day to eat right now.
No, it's a lot of food, so I can eat it all, just like the salad yesterday.
You loved the salad yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got Oreos and a bar and a drink. So it looks like a pretty good lunch, Rafael. I think you did good. Are you gonna take the grapes or no?
Yeah, I am. So
Probably take the grapes later, but we'll take the grapes tomorrow. But you do need a fork to eat the chicken.
yeah, so I need to get a.
Not a real one. Lord have mercy. So keep all the stuff over here. Dum 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 dum. There we go. Looks good. You did a good job making your lunch, Rafael.
Yeah, on my own, it actually tastes better.
Well, I like it when people make me food, but if you think so, okay then.
Okay, now, sometimes I'll make you food in the lunchbox that is sometimes in wrappers.
Awesome.
Or I can put Oreos in it for you, whatever you tell me to do.
Thank you.
Okay?
Okay, thanks.
You tell me one at a time, and I go here, and I say, what's next to put in the lunchbox? That's how I do it.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.